Yep. And here's a table cycle for Ed Wood. Recommend. And here's a table cycle for Ed Wood. Recommend this comedy to friends. And was put on July 2nd, 1995. And this color is black and white.
Now available to own on video cassette.
There is a legend that a crow can carry a soul back from the dead to seek justice and put the wrong things right.
To move your dead.
I'm dead. And I move.
Brandon Lee.
It's not a good day to be a bad guy.
The Crow, rated R. They had made a life for themselves without her.
You left those boys. It took me a long time to forgive myself.
But things are about to change.
I want you out of here.
I should have never left.
You're right, you should have never left.
Because she's come back.
She wants to see you all.
She left us. I don't want to see her.
It's over, Jude. I don't love you anymore.
And a mother like her
Sizing up the competition.
There's no competition.
wants more than love.
I want to come home, and she won't let me.
She wants revenge.
Robert, this is Kelly. You better get over here right now. You just have to stop whatever it is you're doing. All I ever wanted was for us to be happy.
Stay away from us! The law's on her side. She's their mother.
She's got your dad under some kind of spell.
She's probably a sociopath.
Shut up.
But there's nothing you can do. You could lose the boys.
Do something. Do you see what you've done?
Jamie Lee Curtis, Peter Gallagher, Joanne Wally-Kilmer, and Vanessa Redgrave. Mother's Boys.
I want my family back.
And now, our feature presentation.
This sells some more Fight Church versions performed at the TV.